Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. If you've noticed that your Gmail app isn't updating, new emails aren't showing up, or you're simply not receiving any messages, you might be facing a sync issue. But don't worry, in this video, we'll guide you through simple, effective steps to solve Gmail sync problems on your Android phone. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Before diving into settings, make sure your device has an active internet connection. Try opening a website or another app. If it doesn't load, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your router. Step 2. Make sure Gmail Sync is enabled. Now, let's check the sync settings on your phone. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap Accounts and Backup. Then select Manage Accounts. Select your Google account. Tap Sync Account, and make sure Gmail is turned on. If it's off, toggle it on and check back in the Gmail app. Step 3. Check Gmail app sync settings. Now let's look inside the Gmail app itself. Open the Gmail app. Tap the three-line menu on the top left. Scroll down and go to Settings. Tap your email account. Make sure Sync Gmail is checked. If it's not, turn it on. Step 4. Clear Gmail app cache. Sometimes, the cache causes issues. Long press on Gmail app, then tap Info app. Tap Storage, then click Clear Cache. Then return to the app and try syncing again. If the issue persists, you can also tap Clear Data, but this will reset the app. Make sure you remember your login credentials. Step 5. Update the Gmail app. Using an outdated version of Gmail can cause syncing errors. Open the Play Store, search for Gmail, tap Update if available. After updating, reopen the app and refresh your inbox. Step 6. Restart your device. It sounds simple, but a quick restart can fix lots of issues. Hold down the power button and choose Restart. Once your phone boots back up, open Gmail and see if your emails are syncing. Sync issues in Gmail can be frustrating, especially when you're expecting an important message. But by following these steps, you'll likely be able to fix the issue and get your Gmail working smoothly again. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.